Hello everyone! Our topic today is all about simplifying indices. This topic can be found in pages 10 to 12 of your textbook. These are the words to learn. Kindly repeat after me. Simplifying, algebraic, exponential, expressions, values. Kindly repeat the 5 words. Very good. Simplifying indices. In order to simplify the numbers or algebraic expressions involving indices, we have to use and combine one or more laws of indices. Let us have example number 1. Supposing we need to find 25 divided by 5 to the negative 6 over 5 to the negative 12. Here is the solution. In doing this show, first we are going to rewrite 25 to the base 5, which is equal to 5 to the power of 2 divided by 5 to the negative 6 over 5 to the 12th power. Then, using another law, which is the quotient law, we are going to have 5 to the power of 2 minus negative 6 over 5 to the power of 12. So in the numerator, we use the quotient law, which states that dividing powers with the same bases, we need to subtract their exponents. Simplifying further, we get 5 to the power of 2 plus 6 over 5 to the power of 12. So what is 2 plus 6? Correct, it is 8. So we have 5 to the power of 8 over 5 to the power of 12. In here, we are dividing, so we are going to copy the same base and then subtract the exponents. So we will be having 5 to the power of 8 minus 12. And what is 8 minus 12? Very good. It is negative 4. So we have 5 to the negative 4. And in here, we need to apply the negative exponent. We need to have the reciprocal of 5, which is 1 over 5. So we will be having 1 over 5 to the power of 4. And simplifying further, what is 5 to the 4th power? Very good. It is equal to 625. So the final answer is 1 over 625. That is example number 1. Now let us have example number 2. Let us read all together the given. 3m to the power of 5 times m to the power of 2 plus a over 6m to the power of 3. Let us have the solution for this one. The first thing we need to do is to apply the product law. So we are going to add the exponent. So we have 3m to the power of 5 plus 2 plus a over 6m to the power of 3. Simplifying further, we get 3m to the power of 7 plus a over 6m to the power of 3. Since we have the same base, we are going again to apply another law, which is what? Correct. It is the quotient law. So we have 3m to the power of 7 plus a minus 3 over 6. So in the numerator, we apply the quotient law, which states that dividing powers with the same base, we need to subtract the exponents. So to simplify this one, we can simplify 3 and 6. 3 will become 1 and 6 will become 2. Then we will be getting, so 7 minus 3 is equal to what? Very good, 4. So we have in the numerator m to the power of 4 plus a over 2. So that would be the final answer. Let us have example number 3. Let us read all together. ab to the power of negative 5 times a squared b to the negative 3 raised to 6. So let us have the solution for this one. So the first thing we need to do is to distribute negative 5 to A and B. In doing this, so we have A to the negative 5, B to the negative 5. Times, we are going to distribute 6 to 2 and negative 3. So the result would be A to the power of 2 times 6, B to the negative 3 times 6. Simplifying further, we get A to the negative 5, B to the negative 5 times 2 times 6 is equal to 12. So we have A to the power of 12. Negative 3 times 6 is equal to negative 18. So we have B to the negative 18. And then we are going to apply the product law to A to the negative 5 and A to the power of 12. Simplifying further, we get A to the power of negative 5 plus 12. And then the same law that we will be applying to B to the negative 5 and B to the negative 18. So we will be having times B to the power of negative 5 plus negative 18. And what is negative 5 plus 12? Very good. It is equal to 7 times what is negative 5 plus negative 18. Very good. It is negative 23. So we will be having A to the power of 7 times B to the negative 23. Since B has a negative exponent, so we will be applying the negative exponent. So we will be having A to the power of 7 and getting the reciprocal of B, which is 1 over B. Then the negative 23 will become positive 23. And then applying multiplication of fractions, so numerator times numerator, denominator times the denominator, we will be having A to the power of 7 over B to the power of 23. Let us have another one. Simplify and write the answer using positive exponents only. Let us read all together the given. 8 over 9 raised to 4 times 2 to the power of 4 over 3 squared raised to negative 5. So let us have the solution for this one. In doing this, so first we need to rewrite this one to the base 2 in the numerator and to the base 3 in the denominator. So we will be having 2 to the power of 3 over 3 squared or 3 to the power of 2 raised to 4. Since 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 8 and 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Times, we copy this one, 2 to the power of 4 over 3 squared raised to negative 5. Next, we are going to simplify this one. So we are going to distribute 4 to 3 and 2. So we will be having 2 to the power of 3 raised to 4 over 3 squared raised to 4 times, here we will be distributing negative 5 to 4 and 2. This one will become 2 to the power of 4 raised to negative 5 over 3 squared raised to negative 5. Simplifying further, we get 3 times 4 is equal to 12, 2 times 4 is equal to 8. So we will be having 2 to the power of 12 over 3 to the power of 8 times 4 times negative 5 is equal to negative 20. 2 times negative 5 is equal to negative 10. So we will be having 2 to the negative 20 over 3 to the negative 10. Simplifying this one, we are going to apply what law? Very good, the product law. So we are going to copy 2 and then add the exponents. And in the numerator, or shall I say denominator, we will be applying the product law. So we will be copying 3 and add the exponents. So we will be having 3 to the power of 8 plus negative 10 is equal to, what is 12 plus negative 20? Very good. It is equal to negative 8. So we have 2 to the power of negative 8 over, what is 8 minus 10? Very good. It is equal to negative 2. So we will be having in the denominator 3 to the power of negative 2. Simplifying further, because we have negative exponents, we are going to have the reciprocal. So 3 squared, or 3 to the power of 2, over 2 to the power of 8. Simplifying further, what is 3 squared? Very good, it is equal to 9. And what is 2 to the power of 8? Very good, it is equal to 256. So the final answer is 9 over 256. So let us have a short quiz. Please answer the question. Negative 2 to the power of 10 times negative 2 to the power of 8 times negative 2 to the power of 5 over negative 2 to the power of 19. What is the answer? I will give you 10 seconds to answer this one. Timer starts now. Time is up. What is your answer? You're absolutely right. The answer is 16. Now let us have another one. Let us have 3 to the power of 12 times 3 to the power of 8 over 3 to the power of 17. What is the answer? I will give you 10 seconds to answer this one. Timer starts now. Time is up. What is your answer? That's right. The answer is 27. That's it for now. Hope you learned something today. So thank you for listening and thank you for watching. See you again next week. Bye!